Okay, this is the last one.
Last one. What is this? What am I looking at?
It's AI-generated comfort clothing.
Yeah.
By, in this case, Nike.
Yeah.
But it could be any.
I knew it as soon as I saw it, that it was AI for sure, because it's so absurd looking.
Yeah.
But it does... I mean, it looks futuristic.
It does,
It's
right?
too far for Nike, obviously. But if it was like some Balenciaga thing or some brand like that, it might be possible. But I don't know. Stay snug. It does look comfortable. It looks cozy.
It looks really, really cozy.
Feel the softness. Okay, that Nike blanket.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Well, that's not as far off, like the pants and jacket here.
The artist is Brickwork on Instagram.
It's really well done. The whole concept. You could mock up an entire deal with just this AI stuff.
Just very nice, soothing colors.
Yep. I mean, yeah, if you were to look up cozy, this is where you're going to end up. So the whole account is this type of stuff?
No, I think it's more like a design firm or an artist.
Right. But they just been on this cozy Nike topic for a minute.
Yeah, recently.
Fluff the fleece.
Different materials.
You could sell this stuff, but I question durability long term of this like extremely slipper-like shoes that are meant to be worn out.
Yeah.
Like you're going to pay $200-$300 for that, and I question the durability of the fleece on the foot.
But I think with something like this, it's like amazing concepts. Like if you're talking about like comfort and coziness.
Somebody says they're using the Yeezy data set.
Yeah, probably.
Maybe. What is that? What's coming out of his butt? Can you sit on that?
What was that? The tuxedo thing? Like the flaps in the back?
Somebody in the comments here says, I am devastated that these aren't real. Man, it's a whole new world out there. Mm-hmm. Not only AI, design, and you can test different items and products with very low investment using AI. You just be like, hey, let's see how people respond to the Nike Cozy collab.
For sure.
And then go out and make it or not based on the response. Yeah, it's interesting times.
Yeah.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.